Okay, notes for today are going to be pretty quick. This is just expanding and condensing log functions, but you're going to need to practice at this. There's a whole bunch of practice on this, and there's more worksheets, but just want to go over it. All right, so we're going to use those properties that we got last week, all right, and on Friday. So we're going to expand this one, all right. So it is log 2 of 7x to the third divided by y. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this division, and we're going to change it. It changes from division to subtraction. So we would make this log base 2 7x cubed minus log base 2 of y. All right. So now that's pretty much by itself. So now we got to get these two separated. And to separate these two, it's multiplication, so we're going to change it to addition. So we got log base 2 of 7 plus log base 2 of x cubed, and then I'll bring down that minus log base 2 of y. All right? Now, the final step we have to do is we have to get rid of this third power. And again, the power changes to a multiplication out front. So this log base 2 of 7 plus, move the 3 out front, so it comes 3 times the log base 2 of x minus log base 2 of y. Now this one is fully expanded. All right, so that's expanding. Now I'm going to show you condensing. All right, so we have log 10 plus 2 log 2 minus log 3. Well, let's take care of this 2 log 2. This 2, we're going to move it up as an exponent. So it's going to become log 10 plus log 2 squared minus log 3. All right, the 2 squared, we can change that to a 4. So we'll make this log 4. All right, now our addition, we can take care of that. Addition changes to multiplication, so this becomes log of 10 times 4 minus log 3. And 10 times 4 becomes 40. So log 40 minus log 3. And then we have the subtraction. Subtraction changes to division. So we're going to get log 40 divided by 3. And you can just leave that as your answer. All right, you have two U tries. One's expansion and one's condensing. All right, so if you want to pause it and you want a chance to do it by yourself, you can do it by yourself. So pause it, and then I'm going to do it. All right, so we're going to expand this one. It's 3 multiplications, so the quick way to expand it is just change these multiplications to additions. So it's natural log of 3 plus the natural log of x plus the natural log of y cubed. And then the only thing we got to get rid of is that cube. So we'll make it natural log of 3 plus the natural log of x plus 3 natural log y. And that's it. All right, that is expanded. All right, next one we're going to condense. All right, so we're condensing this. It's 3 natural log of x plus 5 natural log of y. Again, we're going to get rid of these numbers out front, change them to exponents. So it becomes the natural log of x cubed plus the natural log of y to the 5th. And now since it's plus, we're going to change that to multiplication. And we get the natural log of x cubed y to the 5th. And that is condensed. Okay? So those are the two. On the back of this worksheet, if you scroll down, you should have all these problems to do. All right? And I would highly recommend you do them all right, to get practice at this. You really need to become good at this. I will give you a couple hints. If you write this square root of x, if you write that as x to the 1/2 power, it makes it a little bit easier for you to do that. All right, so square roots become x to the 1/2 powers. All right, but you can work on all those. That's it.